Yeah, today we are leaving for the first time for a short vacation, for making some hiking with the snowboards. Yeah, now we are packing in all the stuff, the food and the electricity stuff and water, bread, snowboards, a lot of equipment. We are going to Styria, which is also called the green heart of Austria. And we hope we will have good snow conditions because in the next days the weather forecast predicted to have some snow in the mountains. Our first hill climbing with the car, and
it's really fast.
It's really fast, yeah. Yeah, we landed in Styria. And the dogs are happy. We did a walk with them, and the girls too. And now we will go to the gym to make a workout, and afterwards we will have good salad. Rainy day, the weather is not so nice and the weather prediction for the next days is not really good, so we decided to go to the house because the weather there is a little bit better. It's only 1.5 hours or 2 hours to go with the car and the Airstream, so we will move on. Yeah, we found a super nice place here in Feldern. It's near Villach, it's in Carinthia. And it's so nice. And now we make a walk with the dogs, evening walk.
Now we going to have dinner or lunch actually, both, because we had a long ride and we just snacked a little, so it's kind of a dinner and lunch together. We're gonna do vegan wraps today with tofu and a lot of good vegetables, and I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do it now. Let's go. So first of all, you want to cut the tofu in thin slices, but the most important part is you have to get the liquid out of the tofu, that it's really good. And yeah, so you're just gonna press the liquid out of the tofu. Woo! And then you're just gonna cut it in thin slices.
Today we will drink a really good wine. It's a red wine from Burgenland.
So now I added onion, so after the tofu, because then they're more fresh and you can have those crunchy onions in your wraps. And I'm just gonna add mushrooms and tomatoes to this, and I'm gonna cook it for a while. Add a little garlic and we're just gonna take and now I'm gonna cut cucumbers and avocados, and I'm gonna heat up the wraps, and then we're gonna put a little bit of hummus on it, the vegetables, this tofu mixture, and then we're gonna eat. We're gonna use the cashew sour cream, vegan sour cream base that I already showed you on our YouTube channel. So I'm gonna put this first. Then I'm gonna put a little bit of our tofu mixture. Put some veggies on there. Some salad. Too thick, and then you just have to roll it up, and I'm just gonna do it like this.
Entschuldigung, Mia, ich muss
And voila, you have your first wrap.
Ich verstehe nicht. Ich will die ganze Zeit herum. Thank you, Bisha. It's so nice. Smells good. Tastes delicious.
Perfect.
What do you say to your wrap?
I'm gonna try it now.
You like it?
Wie fühlt die sein?
Also,
Wurscht.
good.
Peter is a little bit demotivated because there is no snow for snowboarding, so we have to hike down again. Achtung! Kommen die Wildtiere.
Achtung, das ist das Wildtier. Mach zu.
Tre fatiche. Because we didn't find any snow in the mountains, we decided
But we found pizza.
to go to Italy to have pizza
And salad.
and salad because Wisha is vegan.
And fries.
This is how it looks like in the morning. Place. 1, 2, 3. Today we have nice weather. We're leaving. Subscribe to our channel and follow our Airstream adventure during the next month, and see you soon on Pinkrambutan.com.